Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. It's time for Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast, number 1184. Coach Shane here. How are you today? Right now, it is Sunday, June 28th, 2026. It's the evening. July is almost here. We have our summer sale right now. If you're interested in VIP, we have a 6-month membership. It includes DDM VIP and all of the VIP live classes and all of the AMA live classes. The best way to improve your listening is to study DDM. That's my listening course, and join the live classes. You can do that right now for $499, something like that. I think it's $499 for 6 months. If you want to improve your speaking, then you should take my Perf class. Once again, 6-month membership. You get all of the live classes for Perf VIP, and you get all of the AMA classes. VIP live classes are where you actually practice the assignments with a coach, and you get that one-on-one feedback. AMA classes are where you can ask any question you want and get one-on-one training with me and the other coaches. So this is tremendous. Once again, $499 for 6 months, and it's outstanding. The sale ends, I think, on July 1st, okay? So if you're interested, go to my community. You can try for free. Just ask us. Ask, and we'll give you the answer. My community, school.com/LME. That's SKOOL.com/LME. All right, today's expression. She's like putty in my hands. She is like, similar to, putty. P-U-T-T-Y, in my hands. Now, what is putty? Putty is a very soft material that you can shape. You can easily shape. You can make it into a ball. You can make it into a square. It's like clay, C-L-A-Y, or dough. Like when you're making bread, you have dough, D-O-U-G-H. It's like dough. But putty is something very specific. It's usually used in like construction and plumbing and things like that. P-U-T-T-Y. Check that word in a dictionary. This expression is excellent, and if you know the definition of putty, P-U-T-T-Y, then it's easy to understand she's like putty in my hands. Check out the dialogue, and then I'll explain. I'll have my wife bake you a cake, okay? Your wife? What if she doesn't want to? Hey, she's like putty in my hands.
Oh, great. Chocolate, please.
Are you married? Are you a guy? And are you married? Is your wife like putty in your hands? If that's the case, I'm envious of you. I'm very jealous. Wow. I think I'm jealous. Yeah. Ladies, are you married? Are you putty in your husband's hands? Or is your husband putty in your hands? What does this mean? What does it means? What does this mean? It means if somebody is like putty in your hands, you can easily influence the person. You can easily control the person. The person does whatever you want. Isn't that great? My wife, as of now, she is absolutely not like putty in my hands. Not at all. No. Am I putty in her hands? Much more so. I wouldn't say 100%, but if she wants me to do something, I pretty much do it. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I do my best, right? So it's a great expression. It's a funny expression. And usually we use it it can be negative, right? Because you're controlling, but usually we use it jokingly or even romantically, okay? I want you to be putty in my hands. Tonight, you will become putty in my hands. You will do everything I want you to do. It can be romantic, but it can be negative too. If somebody is manipulating, like really, really controlling another person, that's not nice. But the expression itself is generally very cute. That's today's expression. Join my community. Joining the community is free, and we have free live classes every day for you. You can attend live classes every day. Yeah, free. So join that community, school.com/LME. It's SKOOL.com/LME. Let's check out the dialogue 2 more times. And together, let's master English. I'll have my wife bake you a cake, okay?
Your wife? What if she doesn't want to?
Hey, she's like putty in my hands.
Oh, great. Chocolate, please.
I'll have my wife bake you a cake, okay?
Your wife? What if she doesn't want to?
Hey, she's like putty in my hands.
Oh, great. Chocolate, please.